Hello friends, my name is Siddhant Nakar and you are watching my travel blog. Today we are in UNESCO Heritage Site in Cradle Mountain in Tasmania. It has like many walks what you can do and it's famous for that. So today I'm a bit late in coming over here, but we will still try to make at least a couple of them. One of them is just going to a small 10 minutes walk which is called Glacier Rock on Dove Lake, and second one will be Lake Crater, which I wanted to see, but that's like a couple of hours walk, so I'll see how much I can make it from there. So when you come over here, you basically is coming to visitor center. They don't allow cars to come up till 6 o'clock, and I don't see any reason to come after 6. So you just come over here to the visitor center, then take a bus. They will bring you up, and it's around $26 per person per adult. Family was around 61. When you come over here, do bring your clothes. Today it's not bit, it's a lot raining over here, and I'm fully prepared for that. So basically I'm hiking alone. So the only problem I saw over here, the last bus actually leaves around 5:30. So come too early, come very early in the morning. Check out this place. Okay, so now we're heading toward the next destination. I'm aiming for actually Crater Lake, which is actually 2 to 3 hour circuit walk. I wanted to see Dove Lake, but Dove Lake doesn't seem to be appealing to me. It's your personal choice. Most of the walks are here for 2 to 3 hours until you want to go something extreme walk. Look at the views outside. Okay, so we have been to the glacier walk, which is on the top. Next one I'm planning to do is actually Crater Circuit, but since the time is 3 o'clock, let's see how much I can do. Okay, so now you're actually seeing my blog on Insta 360. Okay, so it seems like we have done some part of it. I don't think so I can make it completely because map is showing 2 to 3 hours and I'm running out of time now. So basically I'm going to explore a little bit more, and whatsoever I can't, leave it for the next time. Okay, so I might be going to Wombat Pool. That will be my last stop. Then I'll be heading back. So I can see some people over here. So I just met someone. They are actually coming back from Cradle Lake on the same path. And they told me it's like 45 minutes walk. One side. Definitely I can't do it now. So let's try to make it to Wombat Pool, then we will head back. I wish I could have come earlier. Okay, I'm having a bit of a rest, so let me show you the views. So this is the lake where we actually went now, and if you see in the background there's another lake which is somewhere here. That's Dove Lake where we went before. Check out the views. Worth coming, huh? Unfortunately, although we can hike till like 7 o'clock now because daylight is longer, but the buses will leave soon. So I have just packed my camera as it's raining quite badly now, and heading back to the base where I can catch a bus. Okay, so let's try to make it on time now. It completely looks like we are walking on a marble floor, I guess. That's definitely limestone. Check out the peaks now. I think because clouds are clearing, that's why the peaks are becoming visible now. So it's raining again, what we were expecting. The guys at the visitor counter was actually saying the weather changes quite fast over here, so should be prepared for everything. And I think it's quite a bad rain now, quite a bad rain, and I hope my camera bag is waterproof. So as we're walking out, the sky is getting clear. I'm not sure if we have time to do any other walk. It's already nearly 5, so I have to make to the bus as soon as possible. Okay, so there are toilets here at the bus stop, and they actually require you for walking registration, which I completely forget. So it says like ensure to register all the walks. Maybe if you get lost or they can't find you or you miss your bus, they will come for you. Hey guys, hope you would have liked this vlog. I'm sorry I can't use my microphones today as it was raining all of the way. If you're in Tasmania, this is must visit place if you like hiking and going for nature walks. Do remember the bus leaves at 5 and it's nearly 4:45, so I'm just about to reach to the bus stop. Hope you would have loved this vlog, and please share and subscribe. Take care and thanks for watching.